So the last 2 times I've done this, it's literally shit the bed, like 2 minutes into the recording. So we'll see how this goes today. Especially since I have to record a couple of times since I missed the past 2 days. All right. Flag. その人は字幕の映画を見たいので映画館のスタッフと話していました。The woman wanted to watch a subtitled movie, so she was talking to a staff member of the theater. その人は耳が不自由でした。だから綾子が挨拶したとき聞こえませんでした。She was deaf. That's why she could not hear it when Ayako said hi to her. そしてAyakoはそんな女の人に手紙を書きました。一緒に映画を見ませんか? Ayako then wrote a letter to the woman. Would you like to watch a movie together? 今、Ayakoは毎日電車でそんな女の人ノートとペンを使って映画の話をします。Now, Ayako and the woman talk about movies every day on the train using a notebook and pen. That's the end of the story, and it's very cute. And the recording worked all the way through, so that's pretty rad. There's also like a summary section, which is interesting, and then a vocab list, and like a Q&A, so I guess this can be used as like a teaching book. I guess I'm probably just gonna keep reading the story again. So when I hop on again for recording 2 and maybe recording 3 later, we will start again from the beginning. For now, I just want to kind of look over this vocab list. So mainichi is every day. Densha is train. Shigoto is work. Haimono is shopping, which is in my Genki chapter this time, so that's rad. Tomodachi is friend. Eikawa is English conversation. Resun is lesson. Eiga is movie. Heijitsu is weekday. I kind of wonder if maybe I should make like a Quizlet with some of these vocab. But I don't know. I'm already doing Quizlet for my Genki stuff, so that might be overwhelming. Onaji is same. Shumatsu is weekend. Dekakeru is to go out. Chigaku is different. Sukunai is not many. Fushigi ni omou. Fushigi ni omou is to wonder. That is a long word. Mosugu is just around the corner. Meno mae. Meno mae. I know mae is also in the front, so meno mae is in front. So I need to ask sensei like what the difference is, I guess. Isho ni is together. Honestly, this is like a lot, so maybe we'll start with that later. Okay. じゃあまたね。